Hello everyone. Today, me and my team member are going to present the topic Internationalization of BMW. The further slide will explain by Ram.
Yeah, hello. These are the outlines we have. So it's in the next slide. Coming to the introduction, BMW, or we call it as Bayerische Motorenwerk AG, was founded in 1916 by Karl Rapp and Gustav Otto, and has since grown into one of the world's most prestigious automobile manufacturers. And the headquarters in Munich, Germany. BMW begins as an aircraft engineer engine manufacturing before transitioning to motorcycles and luxury automobiles. With over a century of innovation, the brand has become with precious engineering, cutting-edge technology, and high-performance vehicles. BMW commits to excellence has shaped the automotive industry by making it a living history of craftsmanship and innovation. Whether it's their iconic sports car, electronic mobility advertisement, or motorsport achievements, BMW continues to set benchmark in the world of automobiles. This is the introduction. Can you just send the slide? Yeah, coming to the global engagement in international market, global reach and expansion. Operating in over 140 countries, BMW has major production plant in Germany, US, China, UK, India, and Mexico, and more. It expands from Europe to North America, Asia, and emerging marketing through exports, joint ventures, and fully owned factories. And coming to the key phases of growth. BMW global expansion didn't happen overnight. It was a gradual process. In the 1920s to 1960s, the company started by exporting its cars to nearby European countries. And coming by 1970s to 1990s, BMW took a bigger step by setting up joining ventures and established plants like the Startburn plant in the US and the partnership with brilliance of automotives in China. From the 2000s onwards, BMW went to even future, establishing its own factories in places like Mexico, India, Brazil, and allowing it to have full control over production and maintain its signature quality worldwide. And the next slide will be explained by Siddhi.
Thank you, Ram. So, the business growth. The Ram explains the international how the company internationalized, and there are several benefit of internationalization and that help that business to grow. So BMW first is the revenue growth. BMW face the benefit. That is the revenue growth in that the sales from diverse global market that reduce the dependency on the Europe market, and their global sale is in the financial year 2023 was the 2.55 million, and in the 2023 the revenue has been increased by 9.0% as compared with the 2022. The next is benefit that innovation and the technology transfer. They mentioned the research and development centers in the Germany, China, USA, Israel that allow BMW to research and develop the localized product, and each research and development center has the unique features and unique abilities that helping brand to grow more and sustain into future. Next is the economic of scale. There are two factors, that is internal and external. In the internal factor, the first is the advanced manufacturing technique. The BMW has implementing the automation in the production system that help them to increasing in their efficiency, and also the reducing their errors. The next is the secure loan and investment at a lower interest. The rate of interest, that company has already in the strong financial position that allow the company to negotiate in a better financial term. So this is also benefit for the BMW. The next is the global advertising campaign and brand reputation. The BMW is well established brand and benefit from the large scale marketing strategy by reducing the per unit cost of advertising. Next is the international external factor, that is the close relationship with the supplier. The BMW has a long-term contract with their suppliers and bulk purchasing agreement with that. They are helping them to reduce their material cost. Next is the skilled workforce. The BMW is investing in the employees training, talent development that lead to their higher productivity and reduce their errors. Next is the infrastructure and the logistic. The BMW is already well developed, has a well developed transportation, energy, digital infrastructure that reduces their distribution cost and enhance their supply chain efficiency. These are the several benefit company getting, and this is how the company grow in the international market. Next slide. These are the challenges the company faced in the past time. The first is the 2008 global financial crisis. The 2008 global financial crisis have a several impact on the automobile industry, including BMW. Due to that, the net profit dropped by 90%, and due to the car sale has been decreases. The China is one of the BMW largest market, but declined the sales by 4%. That indicates the demand of luxury cars has been declined. Next is the uh, COVID-19 pandemic. During the pandemic, the global car sale has dropped by 21% as compared to 2019, as the lockdown and the economic uncertainty that reduced the demand. The BMW sales and sales declined by the 8.4% in 2020. That reflects the supply chain disruption and the lower consumer spend. Next, the temporary shutdown of the manufacturing plant that lead to production delay and the future impact on the revenue profit. These are the past challenges faced by the company. Next slide. BMW is currently navigating the several challenges. First is the regulatory of trade barriers. The US administration consideration of a 25% tariff on the vehicle that import pose a potential obstacle for the international automakers. However, the BMW is confident in its ability to mitigate the impact of this such tariff due to its sustained manufacturing presence in the United States. The next is a BMW is actively advancing its transition to electric mobility through the development of a new class platform to set their debut in 2025. The major challenges they are facing in this project, that is upgrading manufacturing facilities and the financial investment. This means the shifting EV necessities to sustainable their upgrade to manufacturing facilities. Their company aim to reduce the manufacturing cost of vehicle by 25% by the 20 in the 2025. This strategy requires significant financial investment. So this is the main challenges of the a new project. Next is the training to employees. That is the transformation of a EV has required a comprehensive employee technique train and to adopt a new technology and the production process. So investing more on the employees will help them to get a benefit in the market and to improve their manufacturing system. The further slide will explain by Somu.
In this slide, we are going to see about the Uppsala model. Uppsala model is a theory internationalization that expand how the firm gradually expand into the foreign market. It was developed by Swedish researchers Johnson and Verhelen in 1977 based on the study of Swedish company. In this Uppsala model, we are going to cover strategy of expansion. There is no regular expect activities and export via independent agencies and establishment for a sales subsidy and foreign direct investments. In this model, the highly of importance of learning and risk management and commitment in internal business expansion. In the market A, Kenya, the Kenya is no regular export. The BMW vehicles are imported occasionally, but lack of structural export plan. Limited demand of inflation infrastructure may restrict full sale operations. The luxury vehicle market in Kenya is relatively small, but has operates more growth. And the investment is low. The higher risk rate is also low in Kenya. Coming to the second B market is New Zealand. It's an independent representative. BMW operates through authorized importers and distributors. This approach reduces operation cost while ensuring local market operations. Regularly, requirements and demands fluctuations are managed by the third-party partners. In the market B, the investment is moderate and risk also moderate. Coming to the C, it's a foreign sales subsidiary in India. Just a second. BMW was directly sales subsidiary in India. This handle distribution and customer service. In the India luxury car market is growing. Market directly invest viable. Direct control allows BMW to maintain the brand position, pricing, and service quality. In India, there is high investment and high risk. Coming to the last market D, it's a foreign product and sales subsidiary. In US, BMW manufacturing vehicles locally in the South Carolina. The full-scale operation include the products, sales, and after-sales service. Help to avoid the tariffs and reducing supply chain costs. The US investment is very high, but risk is moderate. That's all in Uppsala model. Next slide will cover by PN.
Yeah, these changes. The risk mitigation strategies adopted by BMW. Here are some of the strategies. First, technology diversification. BMW invested heavily in electric vehicles, but they are not lending the other technologies segments like combustion engines, hybrid technologies. This allow company to target a different market and as adapt. In India, if we compare India, the adaptation of EV vehicles is very slow when compared with the developed nations. This ensuring the flexibility, reducing the risk of BMW to relying on one technology and then localized production. BMW has expanded its manufacturing footprint across multiple regions, allowing them to reduce reliance on single market, single production site. This strategy helps overcome from the trade restriction and logistic issues, political instability, and they are by this local production, they benefit like regional incentives and cost savings. These are the benefits through on this localized production. And then next one is strategic investment. BMW has demonstrated flexibility in its investment plan. The decision to pass the 600 million investment in Oxford plant due to the economic uncertainty. This approach BMW toward large financial commitment when the market condition is uncertain. Yeah, it's like the conclusion. BMW has successfully expanded worldwide using a Uppsala model, and it's provided long-term stability in branding, transforming global influence. Then they have successfully built strong global presence in over more than 140 countries. The company future focus on all the vehicles. Um, and then the BMW demonstrated proactive approach to the risk management by adapting the challenges like economic down and the trade barrier. BMW diversified the production, forming the strategy of islands and investing heavily in local markets. This key takeaway from BMW intentional strategies to effective risk management, global market issues adapted to the market challenges in each sector. Next, here this. These are the
And
used in the slides. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you.